This is practice A for section 8.2. We're going to find the value of each variable in the parallelogram. So they're telling you that these shapes are parallelograms. What that means is the opposite sides are parallel by definition. So it looks like this. I'll put the marks on here. I don't need to because they told us it was a parallelogram. But if they don't tell you, you would know by seeing these marks as well. Those are colored in triangles. Those are parallel marks. Same thing here. So left side and right side are parallel, top and bottom are parallel. You've got to use 2 up here because obviously this side and this side touch, so they're not parallel, so you need different marks. So that's what it looks like by definition. Now, we have some theorems that go with parallelograms as well. We know that the opposite sides are congruent. So if the top is 11, the bottom is 11. So I'm just putting matching slash marks on the top and bottom. Likewise, if the left side is 8, then the right side is 8. Really simple problem, really simple theorem. So that works for all of these. The top and the bottom are the same length, left side, right side are the same length. So it would be the same thing here. These are going to match. So if you know that this is 7, you know that this is 7. So you can write this equation, b plus 2 equals 7. Take away 2 from both sides, you can see that b is 5. Likewise, a minus 3 equals 14. Add 3 to both sides. A is 17. Opposite sides are congruent in a parallelogram. Number 3, they don't give us side lengths, they give us angle measures. The angle measures in a parallelogram go like this. The opposite angles are congruent. So if this is 101 degrees, this one's 101 degrees. Also, these opposite angles are congruent. If you know one angle in a parallelogram, you can find the other 3. Here's how you do it. These adjacent angles, notice how this one's obtuse, this one's acute. They can't be the same. But what's going to happen is they're going to be supplementary. So the adjacent angles are supplementary. If that's 101, this is going to be 79. They add up to 180. Opposite angles in a parallelogram are congruent. The adjacent angles are supplementary. So you can use that to your advantage on this one. If that guy's 76, this guy's 76. So 4 times a number, oops, I'm off the screen, gives you 76, then divide by 4. So 76 divided by 4 gives you 19, I think. And that's all you had to do there. But clearly, you can find all the other angles if you wanted to. So even though they don't ask you to, they might at some point. So if that's 76, this guy's going to be 104. Same thing with that one. Okay, now numbers 5 and 6 are just like the rest of them. The opposite sides are congruent. So if this is 20, something minus 5 is 20. Opposite angles are congruent. If that's 68, this one's going to be 68. So you write that equation as well. Same thing on number 6.